Aquarius, hi, welcome to Gold Tarot. Today I'm gonna do a bonus reading for you guys. This is May bonus love reading for you, and thank you so much for your liking, subscribing, and sharing, and so many good vibes from me to you guys. I'm wishing you blessings, abundance, prosperity, and love, health, wealth. So many high vibrations from me to you guys. So yeah, guys, let's start your reading. This is for the Aquarius people, the May bonus reading for you guys. Okay, so let's cut the deck for you, Aquarius. This is for the Aquarius people. Completion of a cycle, 10 of Wands. Definitely putting the burden down, which is good. Knight of Cups, Page of Pentacles, Two of Swords, Hermit, 10 of Pentacles right in the heart of your spread, Aquarius. Wow, beautiful. It's amazing. Wow. Page of Cups, Six of Swords, Two of Pentacles, yeah. Star, here you are, Aquarius, in your reading. Some of you are dealing with a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio. Virgo, another Aquarius, yeah, or Capricorn, Taurus, and Virgo. Okay, so Aquarius, definitely you are putting down some kind of burden which you are feeling not happy about, and yeah, now you are feeling very relieved, very easy, relaxed, which is great. With the Knight of Cups, Page of Pentacles, and the Two of Swords, I'm feeling that you were trying to make some kind of decision in the past, and you were like struggling to make this decision. You don't know how to make this decision right for you, but at least you have made it. And I'm feeling that this is the decision of making some kind of love offer to someone special, yeah, and now you have decided it. With the Hermit, 10 of Pentacles, and the Page of Cups, I'm feeling definitely you have some enlightenment moment with this Hermit card present here, because you want a very happy and stable life with this person. And yeah, now the person is show up in your radar, because for a long time in the past both of you were not communicating, because Hermit is very alone, silent person. So definitely you were not talking with them, they were not communicating with you. Now the communication is happening with these pages here, and yeah, things will go forward between you and them. Six of Swords, Two of Pentacles, and the Star. Definitely things are going moving forward, and yeah, you will feel a little bit busy, because things are moving forward now. Before they are very little bit stuck, but you will feel very happy and in your element with the Star card present here, and you feel like a star, yeah. So let's start clarifying why is this 10 of Wands are here. Why is the 10 of Wands are here? Wow, Knight of Wands and the Lovers card, beautiful. Let's see. Five of Swords, okay. Okay, that's why the relation feel very burdened, because of the manipulation, dramatic situation, fights, arguments, yeah. That's why the connection feel burdened for you, because the connection was very strong. There was love, there was passion, there was everything, but then something has happened between you and them, that both of you were arguing and fighting and manipulating each other, games were playing, yeah, very lower vibration energy. That's why you were feeling very burdened, and you ended that, which is good for your growth, yeah. Let's see, why is this Page of Pentacles is here for the Aquarius, please. Seven of Cups, Two of Wands, King of Cups, yeah. Some of you are dealing with water sign, Cancer, Pisces and Scorpio. Definitely you want to you were continuously thinking about that offer or making that offer. You can switch the role. If it is not you, it must be your person. But you were on the crossroads, and then you have made your mind, and you thought that you want to make your decision by checking up your emotions. Yeah, yeah, because you just don't want to make your decision in by, yeah, with your head. Yeah, you just don't want to use your head only. You want to also use your emotions, and yeah, you want a very stable connection, like mind, body and soul, and a very balanced connection. Yeah, because you want to have balance. Why is this hermit here? Hermit and high priestess, very spiritual couple, very positive, very silent as well, because high priestess is also very silent person. But yeah, definitely very strong connection with the higher self. Five of wands, knight of swords. Okay, Aquarius, yeah, definitely you and they and you, or you and them were very silent before with this hermit and high priestess. But you know what, because you think that if both of you will communicate, only fight will happen. But that is only in your fears and illusions. That's not true, because communication is also coming your way. Just stay away from the lower vibration energy, fights, arguments, and clear the air between you and them, so that things can move forward, because things will be very great for you, and very happy for you, very relaxed, very relieved for you, and very loving for you. It's a very strong connection, so just pay attention on it. Okay, so let's see why is the page of cup is here. Three of Pentacles, King of Pentacles, yeah, Taurus, beautiful. Some of you are definitely dealing an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus and Virgo. And yeah, so the message will come from you or from them, definitely. But both of you want to collaborate, because both of you want partnership. Yeah, they are also very stable, and they are very mature person, very grounded person, and you are also very spiritual, very grounded as well, very healed person. So yeah, both of you are now on the same page, and then this is the union. After this communication, definitely both of you will know the truth, and both of you will come to the on the same page. Why is this Two of Pentacles here for the Aquarius? Two of Pentacles, please. Seven of Pentacles, Four of Pentacles, Chariot. Yeah, okay, I'm feeling that you are tired. Yeah, you're tired of being waiting and being silent, definitely. But you know what, things are going to rush for you. Things are going to move very fast for you, Aquarius. This is the Cancerian energy, definitely. Chariot, very swift energy. So yeah, things will be moving very quick, because Knight of Swords is also very fast moving energy and travel energy. And for some of you, this is the person who wants to come towards you. They are planning travel for you. Why is the Star here for the Aquarius, please? Three of Swords, Ace of Pentacles, Eight of Swords. Yeah, so these two things you have to keep in mind, that you have to stay away from this. Three of Swords and the Eight of Swords, like unnecessary heartbreak, sadness, and unnecessary stuckness. Just stay away from these energies, Aquarius. Stay in the acceptance energy, stay in the receiving energy, so that you can attract these beautiful things for you. So beautiful reading for you, Aquarius. Definitely things are moving forward for you, and silence will over, and yeah, things will move forward for you, because both of you are now on the same page, and definitely union will need to happen. So this is I have for you, Aquarius. I hope this will resonate with you. If it is, you can give this video a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Also, you can share it with your friends and family if you find it helpful, and you can give me your suggestions in the comment section down below. So yeah guys, bye.